Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is JLex and today I made this small boat. Yeah, so basically with this boat I'm going to do the test if it floats or sinks. Probably will sink, but I'll give you a quick tour first. So this is the captain's room. Quite small, but nice. And then if you look through this window, you can see the little captain. Then here's the bow, and then I've got this little night minifigure I made, ish. And then here's a lifeboat that PH on. And then if I open this little thing up, you have two minifigures, which is the policeman and the boat. I can't reach my hand in to put any more in. What minifigure is that? Of Jawa. Now I'm going to close this up and we will do our first test, everybody. So first off, let's close it up even more. So pat this down. Now I'm trying to, sorry everybody about the thing. At the moment I'm just trying to fit this in so it would look nice. Well, kind of nice, I don't know. Whatever I would say it is. It is what it is, but yeah. So, bam, there is the ship with the closed up back. Now, let's take it to the water. Sorry, I'm not doing any cuts because my phone storage is kind of low. I don't know anymore because I deleted the 20-minute video that I just posted. That I've been needing to post for a while. So here is the thing, and now let's put it in. Okay, so it kind of floats. Well, I would say it floats. Ish. So here it is, it's kind of tilted. Lots of it's underwater. And now let's just push this to one side. Now let's get the big boat out.
Have you got
all the Oops, I had to cut it. Don't worry guys, but I'll still try and put it together. So yeah, let's get it out again then, shall we? Please empty. This will take a while. Now let's move this to the side a bit. Now we've put it down. The bin's flooded. This guy, let me pick him up. He is not wet at any angle, so he is a lucky boy. Now let's just put him down. Pick this up. And put this back here. Now lift this up and this. Open this. And oh geez, the entire back part is flooded. If you look, you can see it's got the water there. So that's, I don't know, I'll count that as a sink. But now, everybody, let's put it in the water and with the back open. And let's watch it sink. But first off, I need to fix this again. Just imagine the Ali A themes we're playing. I'm sinking a Lego ship that it took hours to make. D D D D D D D D D D. Okay, now let's put this in. And boom. Watch it fill up. Now the water has came through. And look at that. So there's the water. The entire bottom part of the ship is under. So then everybody, it has started to flood, but it's boring, so let's make it more. Let's give it more action, and let's just find a piece of it and take it off, and then it'll sink even more. Let's lift this piece off, and then I can't. There. Now that piece has a crack in it, so tip back and sink even more. Take this off. There we go. Now watch it. Watch the action happen even more. So he's fallen off his toes, which is sad. And then ship definitely hasn't touched the floor yet, as you can see. But for some reason it's sinking more forward than it is backwards. But forward hasn't got as much flooding as backwards. So yeah. So entire bottom layer is flooded. I need to be careful not to drop my phone here. As you can see, if I tip this forward, hopefully lots of stuff will flood and cause the rest of the ship to sink. So little Knight has decided to parkour and flip out of here. Well, the captain always goes down with the ship, and the other two have drowned at the bottom. Not drowned, what the hell? Drowned at the bottom. Little policeman, no! The policeman and the thing is drowned. Drowned! What the hell? And now it is sinking even more. So, there was one survivor. The pig managed to jump onto this thing and ride off into the sunset, which is weird, but it happened. And now it's still sinking, kind of, yeah. Bow is still, now the other side is lower. It's maybe just the angle I was recording at, or something. So yeah, BB-8 is also drowned, sadly. R2-D2 luckily never got on the ship because he didn't fit. The helmets. Now the ship is tipping over and whee! So now the ship's tipped over. Hopefully it'll sink more, but it isn't. But the pillars are getting damaged at the entrance, and that part's fallen off because of me. Oh, I think I know why. I remember at one point, which wasn't really recorded, it had fallen. Well, I had to push it up for space. Well, I think that part was on the camera. I don't know. And now it's got the angle. It might sink even more. But it's not. Now it's fully synced. Hopefully it'll stay fully synced because my finger's on it. But no, it doesn't. Okay. The captain is the only one alive. He decided to stand up off his controlling seat. Well, he can't because he broke his back. And yeah. Now, let's push this forward again. So we got some space, move all the remains out the way, and then just the testers with those. And now let's pick up everything that's sunk. For some reason the spanner and the other thing is sunk, but the ship hasn't. Now let's pick the ship up. Wait for it all to finish sinking. Now we put it back together and then we're done. Then I'll do my outro. So for now, everybody, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. The ship is still wet after sinking, but it's okay. I've washed out the trophy in the bin. So thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!